This is one of the situations that I wouldn't say we're necessarily fishing like intricate structure. We're not fishing a point, you know, a hump, any type of reef. Basically what we're doing is we're following the transitional lines, you know, some rock humps off to that basin depth in that 16 to 20 foot of water. So one of the things that I like to do to make it really easy on myself, no matter where I'm on, you know, this is a new lake for me, is use depth shading, which is actually built right into your Lowrances. The CMAP onboard mapping chip is actually really good for this lake and a lot of the different lakes that I fish, but it kind of shows you exactly from spot to spot to spot based on the different colors, exactly the type of depth that I want to look at. So like I said, 16 to 20 feet is where we're finding most of the fish in this transitional time period. So maybe you're not going to be fishing really detailed structure, but using your mapping is still very important and can put you in the zone a lot easier just with the simple use of this depth shading.